Coffee shop cars, day 6. Pugger. Hung over from last night. Ready? Clip.
You can't use that.
Man, that's go on. Seriously, that's the way to do it.
Use that. Coffee shop cards, day 6.
Looking a bit hungover.
Looking a bit hungover, feeling a bit hungover. Okay, so where we're at, let's have a little recap and let's explain what's happened during the week while we haven't been here. The engine has had a compression test. Let's just quickly go through each of them. So we've got 100 reading here, 100 reading here, 100 reading here, 75 here, and 0 here. Okay, so what we've also done just to verify that, put our hand over these, we've definitely got compression here, and we've got nothing on the front bank at all. So right now we're just going to take this head off. I think it's the easiest way rather than taking off the covers on the side, and just have a visual to see if we can figure out what's going on. We've got a belt on it.
Have we got any pistons in there?
We don't know. We think
someone's stolen the pistons.
someone nicked the engine while we were away. So,
there you go.
let's see how we get on. Right, we're going to just try turning this over.
Ready?
Yeah?
Here we go.
Go.
What happened? Did they move?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, go on then, turn it over. Lovely. Does move. Okay. We should see that straw moving if it's connected to the piston. Go on then. Yeah, oh massively, yeah, hugely. Okay, so this is piston 2 test. Very, very soft plastic hose. Go on then, crank her over. Yeah, absolutely fine, moving. This is piston number 3. Yeah, happy days. Lastly, piston number 4. So the question is, all the pistons are working, all the cams are working, the cams are pushing the valves down. Why has this car got no bloody compression? What do you reckon, master mechanic builder?
A bit puzzled at the moment, to be honest.
I'm thinking...
Got petrol, we can smell petrol, definitely get in there. Definitely got oil there, there's no clunking. If you look at this side, when the engine's turning over, you can see that the belt's all moving, okay? The belt...
Engine out job.
Cam belt's all tight, there's no slack in it, there's nothing different between the front and back bank, so we don't know why.
We don't know why. Okay, well we'll work it out.
Maybe the tester was wrong.
Yeah.
Coffee shop cars, day 6, wrap up.
It's a wrap.
Okay, so, well, we've got a bit of a mystery going on here because we had no compression on the front bank, but we can see clearly, as you'll see in the video, all the cams are working fine. All the valves seem to be moving up and down, no problems there. It sounds okay, and all 4 pistons are moving up and down. So we are thinking,
puzzled.
We're kind of throwing it out there at the moment, but we're wondering maybe that the cam belt is completely on the wrong way around, 180 degrees.
Could be lucky.
We don't know.
Could be lucky.
We need to research this. But yes.
Or we're thinking it's an engine out job and we have to take the head off and look at the valves.
We're looking really at the moment where this engine is probably going to have to come out of the car, which is not a bad thing because it helps us clean it all up and get it all looking good. So we shall see. I think we've got a few days of research ahead of us though at the moment before we make any decisions.
Let's
call that a wrap.
A wrap.